moonflowers just where they won't hinder with the rest of the drawing, since there are quite a bit of elements in the drawing already, and we don't want it to be overwhelmingly busy. I decided to draw some moonflowers. I did a lot of drawings of flowers for a project a few years back, so I've gotten quite used to drawing them and don't need a reference anymore. I also draw the leaves further in the back a bit smaller to keep in mind the depth I want to make present in the illustration. In the next video, we will be sketching the characters, applying the character design on the sketch outline. Thank you for listening. Hey everyone, welcome to Mastering Fantasy Design with Poser and Illustrator. My name is Nas Peters, and in this video we are going to be sketching the characters on top of the outline sketch. Just like we did while sketching the background, we are going to hide the background layer and only keep the character outline visible so we don't accidentally mistake a background line for a character line. I'm going to start off with the face. You don't have to, there's no rule that says you should. I just find that most of the personality in a character can be found in their expression. Styling the hair is also much easier once you have a face to look at. Remembering the character design's characteristics, I make sure to follow the structure the 3D model gave us, drawing the eyes very largely as well as making the lips very voluptuous. I sketch some lines to pronounce the temples and draw the eyebrows very thick so they stand out further as well. Now we can start on the hair, which was decided to be one of the most prominent fantasy aspects about these characters. I find that so long you get the hairline to look perfect with the face, you can do whatever you want with the rest of the hair, as it'll be connected to this hairline and ultimately give the idea that it looks right. With the female characters, I tend not to make the V shape at the crown of the head to be too prominent, as this is typically a very masculine feature. I allow the hairline to hug the contour of the face closely and hide some of it around the ear with a strand of hair moving along her cheek, hugging the front of the ear. Since the strands of hair act more like tree branches would, yet not necessarily as stiff, I don't take into account where the